video, I'm going to show you how to change your light bulbs on your headlights. Mainly the front side marker.
What's up?
There's my cat. It's the Long Life 168, but I went with halogen. See how it goes. So it's got 3 bolts. 2 on top, 1 on the right. There's the one, there's the second one, and there's the third one. It's hiding behind your dust cover, so you gotta move your dust cover to reveal it. These are all lefty loosies, probably 9mm, and then you just yank it out and those pins snap out. There's a better look. The middle 2 just go in a bracket, and the bottom and top pins, they snap in. And I just dropped the headlight and caught it with one hand, and the bulb came out. That thing is toast. No wonder it's not working. I wonder how long it's not been working. This is how you're supposed to take out a light bulb. This is on my tail light. Go to the left, gently pull it off, make sure no wires get ripped. Move the dust cover back, pull the headlight forward, and grab your light bulb and the socket and just pull it. Make sure you don't rip the cord. Voila. Ta-da. Got the Long Life 168 halogen bulb. Leave a comment if you tried LEDs and they worked, and they didn't blow up any fuses, and they didn't give you a headache, and if they lasted. But I went old school halogen. Line it up, metal goes in the brackets, pins go in the holes. And just line it up, pop it in, and put your bolts on.